Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to earn USDT in Binance. For that you need to launch your Binance app and then you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now there are various ways that you can use to earn USDT in Binance, but among these options the best way is to stake your USDT. So in order to stake it, you will have to tap on the spot button in the top, and after that you will have to select the USDT that you have in your account. Over here you are going to see the option of earn USDT APR up to 10.57%. So you will have to tap on this option and then you will be landed on this earn page. Now over here you will have to again tap on the USDT option and then you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to stake. After that, if you want to auto subscribe to this option, then you will have to turn the toggle button on right next to auto subscribe. After that, you will have to press the confirm button in the bottom. This way your USDT will be staked and you are going to earn USDT in Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.